What's going on, guys? It's Mr. Mark Drew at Mark Drew Speaks with the word of the week. Let's pull it out and see what it says to us. I have been crucified with Christ, and I no longer live, but Christ lives in me. Galatians 2:20. What does that mean, man? Woo. Because I told you, we're just gonna pull it out and see what it says. So I've been crucified with Christ. So the first thing I picture, I'm killing off my material self pretty much, man, my material self. When I think of that story, I think about that old animal self and the material desires, all the things that are blocking the true spirit of you from coming out, you know what I mean? That true inner you is being clouded by your ego and this material world, right? So we're crucifying that, we're killing that, and then that person's gone, no longer lives. But Christ lives in me, but the Spirit lives in me. I can feel that, man. Because when I put down substance years ago, like alcohol, going out to the clubs, and the pursuit of, I don't even know, trying to find happiness, before I had the wife and the kids, when I was just a lost guy in the wilderness, I was dead. I didn't see it. I didn't see life. I didn't see the magic. It was fun. Don't get me wrong. Life was enjoyable, but I did not see what I see today. When I put that stuff away and found that gratitude for just the moment, just the gratitude for the breath that we have each day, I was able to embody the Spirit. And when you feel that Spirit, man, it's undeniable. It's the Spirit that gets us through the day. It's the Spirit that gets us through the ages. It's the same Spirit that got the slaves through slavery. It got the Jews through the Holocaust. It's this strong thing. It's even when the material self dies and it's been crucified, and when the world wants it no more, there's something that lives on. That's what we're being reminded of right now. Embody that you, man, that Spirit, and don't be afraid to crucify the old you. It's a good thing to put away the old you, to put away those carnal desires that destroy us so many times, and they destroy those around us and our families. It's time for us to be honest with ourselves. It's time for us to grow and open up to the Spirit of life, baby. Galatians 20:20, I like that one, man. Hey, y'all keep rocking today, keep transforming the world. God can be a hard thing to explain, and there's the left and the right, there's Muslims, there's Jews, Christians, atheists, and everything in between. But the Spirit is undeniable, and it can't be broken. You're more than just flesh and bones, baby. Love someone today. Peace.